Sa ibang balita namang oras ay mapapalaya ng 33 Pilipinong nahuli sa Sandakan, Sabah kagabi. Ang mga nasabing Pilipino ay mga kandidato ng Liberal Party at mga taga-suporta nito. Ayon kay DFA spokesman Raul Hernandez, inaayos na lang ang mga legal na dokumento ng mga ito. Inatasan din anyan ni Pangulong Aquino na tulungan ang mga Pilipinong na-detain sa nasabing lugar.
The 33 Filipinos who, because of rough seas, was carried and end up in the Malaysian waters. And these 33 are actually members of a political group led by a mayor candidate from Tawi-Tawi. The President directed the Secretary of Foreign Affairs, Albert F. Del Rosario, to work for their immediate release. And immediately, the Secretary contacted the Foreign Minister of Malaysia and was able to get his commitment for the release of the 33 Filipinos. The administrative procedure, the papers are now being handled for their actual release.